What's up to my friends on YouTube, and welcome back to another walkthrough of Cut the Rope Fabric Box. This time we are already on level 11. It's been a pretty quick series so far, and if you did need help on any of the other levels, just go ahead and check the playlist link at the top of the description, and it has a walkthrough of every single level in the game, and you will just be able to see whatever level you need and get walked through it very quickly. As for this video though, we are covering level 9, like I said, so let's hop into it and see what we are working with. So as you can see, it has this spider. It's kind of another testing level for Cut the Rope here. It has the spider that follows the candy, and it's just trying to get you to adjust to that. And it has the dotted lines around it as well. Just another one of those levels, and you just use the momentum clearly to swing into each of the stars. This is a very easy level, and it is super easy to get past. If you did have any questions though, I understand where you're coming from. Just comment them down below and I'll be able to help you out. Other than that though, if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.